Hi, my name is Darice Brooks. I'm originally from Northwest Illinois and in a little town called Freeport. I graduated from Monmouth College in 2018 with my degree in exercise science and my minor in psychology. I currently live in Urbana, Illinois, and I work in the Department of Kinesiology at the University of Illinois. My job title is project coordinator. That sounds like it would be like building stuff. I'm actually like the face of this project. It's a federally funded study. I work with participants. I am the first person they talk to. I am the first person they see, and I keep track of all of their appointments. Aside from that, I do a lot of background work or logistics. I do paperwork. I find vendors to buy products from. I keep everything organized in a database that I had to learn. I'm actually learning a lot here. Helping on a big research study is going to be a great skill or a great opportunity for me because eventually I'd like to become a professor and do research, which I think that goal is actually going to be happening pretty soon. This past December, I did get accepted into PhD school at Michigan State. So I've had quite the trek through higher education and it just continues on upward. So this coming fall, I will start my PhD. I will be working with a professor who studies children with disabilities like a cognitive motor neuroscience. She looks at their social skills and motor skills and a lot of other things that I hope to learn. She also wants to get into adaptive sport, and I love adaptive sport. I want to label two key people that helped influence me as opposed to classes. I think classes are important, don't get me wrong. I think the connections I made with professors helped me today. Jen Braun is number one. I'm sure she'll be there when you guys are there. She was my advisor. She was like a motherly figure to me. She helped guide me. I was a first generation college student. She helped guide me through the process of college, essentially. She always told it like it was. She gave me positives, but she also gave me negatives, and combining those two helped influence me to be the person that I am today. And then my second person, and it's also a class, I suppose, is Mark Wilhart, and he taught Intro to Liberal Arts. This is the first class you're going to have at Monmouth, and he was actually the first professor I had at Monmouth. He was very, very blunt. He essentially told it how it was all of the time and always told me things I didn't necessarily want to hear. But it helped guide me along the way. It helped me become more organized. It helped me figure out ways to write better. It helped me figure out ways to study for my test better. And he was also someone I would always see around campus, and he would always ask how I was doing, and making that connection really made it seem like someone cared about me. And I know he cares about me. I know Jen cares about me too. So that's all I really have for you. I know that I was supposed to talk about a key class, and if I had to tell you one class to take or make sure you take, anything in the exercise science department, because those people, and I know they've added people since I've been there, are incredible. They really care about your education. I think everyone at Monmouth cares about the education, but I have a special place in my heart for those in the exercise science department. It was really nice talking to you guys. I hope you learned something a little bit. Have a good night.